the bird.
Oh, hey, Martha.
I had no idea you had the power of electricity.
Sharon, Martha, you simpleton.
Sharon,
It's a yo-yo with LED lights on the side.
oh, thank goodness.
You jealous?
No, because I got firepower.
Hey, Martha, what's your time? Oh. Pretty good. Huh?
Fire dog! Hey.
Hey, Deborah. You might want to stay away from Martha. She's got some freaky shit going on.
Oh, I have some freaky shit going on with me too.
Deborah.
What you got, Deborah?
Oh, Deborah's quiet. I don't want to
Come
know.
on, Deborah, what you got?
I have the power of water.
Whoa!
Drip, drip.
But I don't choose where he comes out of.